What's in there? What is there?
Huh. So, andito kami guys sa ibang park. Sa ibang park naman yung pinuntahan namin. Uy, may nakatira pala dito. There's someone living here, I think ito. Some family. Oh, insect. Insect hotel daw guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Tapos ito is parang water siya. Water supply. Drinking water. Oh, ito yung drinking water nila. So, itong park is hindi siya lake, diba? It's just like fully dry siya. Forest. Right? What is that one?
Some water for storage.
Yeah, for plants, I think. That one, oh, may tank sila, oh. May tangke sila. Ayan. Para sa mga plants. Tapos, ano pala siya? Parang playing area.
These are the birds you can see.
Ito yung mga birds na makikita nyo guys. Tapos, ito pala is para pala talaga sa mga kids. Ayan. Kung may mga anak kayo, dalhin nyo dito. Pero hindi ko bet siya guys. Kasi kapag summer is dry siya. Yung alikabok is lilipad siya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan, oh. So, dami. Puro kids. Mag-enjoy sila. Tapos, yung mga tree dito, guys, is, ano na, wala nang dahon. Dry na. Super dry na yung trees dito. Ito lang makikita mo, pang exercise. May entrance fee pala siya to, guys. Ano siya? Entrance fee niya is 10 rupees per head. Tapos kapag may sasakyan ka is ano naman siya? 20 kapag two-wheeler. O diba? Ayan. Oo, kaya pala pinagbabawal talaga nila yung cigarette dito at saka mga merienda. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, oh, madaming mga dry leaves, mga dry trees. Kaya mabilis siya masunog. Diba? Kasi sobrang tag-init. Kung nakikita nyo. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalawak ito. Diba? Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kalawak. Ayan. Pag muni-muni ka siya dyan guys, oh. May mga nuno sa punso. Tapos may makikita ka dito na mga magjuwa-juwa ba? Hindi nila yan alam yung kung ano yung magjuwa. Kaya pwede ako magsalita. Kasi hindi naman nila alam. Nag-ano sila na, guys, pur dadit-dit. Chismosa kayo, oy. Daming crew ba? Tingnan natin. Uy, may nagja-jogging. Sana all. Bata pa yata yan. Ayan.
That park is better than this one, no? The free one. Near
Which
the highway,
one?
the big one.
Near
the highway, big one. The coconut we drink, right? That side. That is better than it. Come this one.
Sorry. Sobrang tahimik guys. Wala namang activity dito magagawa. Parang mag-ano ka lang, lakad-lakad. Just like you're going to roaming around. It's good here if morning, right? You just keep walking.
But you need to pay.
Huh.
It should be free.
You said there's a fountain.
Yeah, it was there at the entrance only.
So where is it?
It is dry.
Oh, there's no water.
That's not working.
Huh. Tingnan nyo. Pinagtitinginan nila ako. Sorry na lang kayo. Sabi nyo, sorry na lang kayo. Mas maganda ako. Diba? Ganon talaga guys. Uy. Yung mga tao kapag nakita kanila na medyo puti ka. Ayan. Pag puti ka guys. Tapos ang for the group is pakita-kita ka ng ano mo no. Ng dibdib mo. Nayatay ka. Ayan. Pero ano yun oh? Mountain? What is that one? Mountain? Mountain? Oh. Okay. Madaming crew. Madaming crew dito. Ayan, may mountain doon siya guys. Oh.
Not mountain, it's just they have stored mud.
Ah,
They
okay.
pour the mud, pouring. Because of
Oh, what is that one? Honeybee?
mm-hmm.
Or the nest?
Nest.
Some nest of birds, I think. I don't know.